Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and today we're getting ready to make old-fashioned buttered noodles. Oh my goodness. Think back guys, how many of you all have had old-fashioned just plain buttered noodles? They're amazing on their own as a side dish, as a meal, but they are also amazing as the base for stews, meatballs, even casseroles. Oh, they are just delicious. It's comfort food no matter what time of the year it is. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. So let's go over our ingredients. As usual, they will be in the description for you all. It's only a few. Starting off with our buttered noodles. You want the wide egg noodles. Yes, you can butter any noodles, but for old-fashioned buttered noodles, you want to get the wide egg noodles. They are absolutely fantastic. So this is what we need, and I have a little chicken bouillon here. I like to put a little chicken bouillon in it. Now, I will be following the directions, as you should too, on your package of wide egg noodles, but I add the chicken bouillon to it as well. And then I have a stick of butter, which we will be using that to make our buttered noodles. Just 3 simple ingredients, guys. Okay, heading over to the stove, make sure your water is at a rolling boil. Then we're going to go in and just add our chicken bouillon. Let that settle in the pot for a second. Then go ahead and add in your noodles. Just pour them in and let them cook. It's only going to take maybe about 5 or 7 minutes, maybe not that long. So now I have drained my noodles and this is what they look like. All drained. You just want to go ahead and put them in a bowl. Next, I have my butter here. I like to kind of melt my butter. You don't have to. You can use room temperature or you can melt it as I have. It's just it's just easier to incorporate once it's melted. So get all your good little butter out of there and mix it up really, really well. I don't need any salt or anything because we boil them in the chicken bouillon and I'm using salted butter. It's not overly salted, guys, because when you drain that water off, you're actually draining quite a bit of the seasoning off. So no, it's not over salted at all. Now we're just going to put them in our dish and we are pretty much done. Ooh-wee, don't they look amazing? Smelling delicious. You can smell the butter. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Now I have a little parsley sitting here because, well, you know me, I have to have a little green on my plate. So let me show you what it looks like up close. Don't they look amazing? This is your buttered noodles, like I said. Wonderful as a side dish, wonderful as a base for a lot. So we're going to just go in here and garnish with a little parsley. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell so you won't miss anything. Give the video a like and share it out. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Delicious.